Welcome to Rare Shikshan Samstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Standard 8, Subject Geography, Lesson number 4, Structure of Ocean Floor, Video number 13. Students, in previous video, we seen the relief of ocean floor. Within it, we seen the first landform, continental shelf. Today, we are going to see continental slope. After the extent of continental shelf is over, then the slope of seabed become very steeper and steeper. That steeper slope, it is called continental slope. In another word, we can say that the steep sloping edge of the continent that extends from the edge of the shelf into the ocean, it is called the continental slope. We can see in this image, see that it is the coastline of the ocean. Then after the coastline, we can observe continental shelf, and when the continental shelf it will be over, then continental slope it will be start. See, the depth of the slope is from 200 meter to 3600 meters on the oceanic floor. We can see in this image, see the depth of the continental slope. It is started from the 200 meter till it goes 3600 meter on the ocean floor. See, in the some ocean it will be become narrow, and in some ocean it's become very broad. See, the lower boundary of the continental slope, it is considered to be the boundary of the continents. See that this is the continent, and the continent boundary, it is considered this one, continental slope. Now next, abyssal plains. See, abyssal plains, it is a large flat area of the deep ocean floor. It is called abyssal plains. See, first of all, continental shelf, then continental slope, then whatever the flat area will be observed into the deep ocean floor, it is called abyssal plains. See, abyssal plains and the abyssal hills cover most of the earth's surface. We can see that this is the area, it is called abyssal plains as well as the abyssal hills. See the special features of the abyssal plains. It is the 40% of the ocean floor covered by the abyssal plains. It is very common into the Atlantic Ocean, and same way it is very rare into the Pacific Ocean. Mostly it is covered by the sediments. Then abyssal plains, it is having the very deep and the flat area into the ocean floor. Abyssal hills, they are the small sediment cover extends with the volcanoes and the rocks. Now next one, mountain ranges and the plateaus. You can see in this image, this is the ocean. Into the ocean, these are the submerged hills as well as the mountains. See, into the ocean, the hills and the mountains we can found. They are called as the submerged hills and the mountains. These hills are hundreds of kilometers wide and the thousands of kilometers long. Peak of the some hills, they are the submerged hills into the ocean. See, they are up to the from sea levels. They are visible us as a marine islands. See that near to the India in Indian Ocean, we can see Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are called the mountain ranges. See, into the Atlantic Ocean, Iceland, it is the example of the mountain ranges as well as the plateaus. See, the summits of some marine islands are flat and extensive. They are called oceanic or submarine plateaus. For example, Chaos plateaus into the Indian Ocean. Now next one, marine deeps and marine trenches. On the ocean bed, there are some landforms which are deep. Sometimes they become very narrow and sometimes they becomes very deep. These deeps and the steep slope, it is called the marine deeps and the trenches on the ocean floor. We can see in this image, see it is called the ocean trenches. See, generally they are shallower at one places. When they are shallower, they are called as dips, and some places they becomes extended longer and longer into the dense distance. That's why they are called the marine trenches. We can see in this image, this is the image of the marine trenches into the oceans. See, some places they are thousands of meters deep from the sea levels. We can see in this image, see the deepness of the marine trenches nearly thousands of meters. See, in the world, the deepest trench it is Mariana Trench. We can observe here it is the image of the Mariana Trench. It is a very deepest kind of trench into the world. It is around 11,034 meters from the sea level. The mid-oceanic submerged hills and the marine trenches are geological the most active area of the oceanic bed into the world. Why they are called most active area? Because they are very near to the core of the earth. See, they having the lots of active kind of volcanoes into this area. See that once again. See, this is the image of strange, and near to that we can see this. This is the active kind of volcano area near to these stranges. Now see that this is the image of active volcano into the ocean. Now see that this is the Atlantic Ocean's island. Now next one, see that because of the tsunami, we seen a lots of disaster near to the coastal area. Now how these tsunamis are arise? See, because of the earthquake and volcanoes, the eruption of the volcanoes on the oceanic bed, it gives rise to the tsunami near to the coastal area. Tsunamis, it means a very high kind of tides, those goes near to the coastal area. When they reach near to the coastal area, they create lots of disaster into that area. You can see in this image, this is the image of the tsunami and it's occur near to the coastal area. Now see that this is the result of the tsunami and they are create huge amount of disaster onto the coastal area and they create the loss of the property as well as human life. It is a very great kind of natural calamities and it is faced by the human life. Okay students, I think so you understand. Today we seen continental slope, abyssal plains, mountain ranges as well as plateaus. Then we seen marine deeps, marine trenches as well as we seen tsunamis and its reason and causes as well as its effects also. Do understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.